Minus 6 to means maybe minus 5. And log ECP XP ECG XG. So I have to calculate this value is negligible. So log ECP means CP. Log is CP. E minus log log is CG. CG XG. You had understand that's mathematics. So I think this mean should be negligible. I mean 0. This means 0. It is not necessary. It is not our concern. So CG turning the XG and CP XP. Now CG CP I have to explain. What is CP? What is CG? CP or CG? Totally C. What is the equation of C? C is the equation of 2m E minus U by H square. And for photon particle mass, H Planck constant, E energy of photon particles on the according to CG, and G the mass of graviton particles, EZ the mass of energy of graviton particles, and U the interaction decay for interaction decay or barrier. Now I have to explain for the barrier how to be creating the barrier and how it is happened. E minus U means U is barrier or losing energy by interaction with another particle. U is barrier, E to minus U is barrier or